How to convert PDF to Excel. If you have ever worked with text documents, you must have had a problem transferring something from one format to another. One of the most common examples is converting from PDF to Excel. Let's see how. First of all, you need the PDF that you want to convert. I have this PDF that contains a table. We want to convert it to Excel. Now we need to open Excel. When Excel has opened, select Blank Workbook. When the workbook has opened, we will find the Data option from the top menu and click on it. A list of options related to the data itself will open. The first in the series is the Get External Data option. Click on it. A list of options will open that offers us where we can import data from. So we have the option to import from a file, database, Azure platform, and many others. We will go over the option for files, which will open a new list of options from which we will select the option from PDF. A window will open where we need to find the PDF we want. When we have selected the PDF we want, we will click on the Import button located at the bottom of the window. We will wait for Excel to process our request. This may take some time, so until something like this appears, don't touch anything. When a window appeared that looks like this, we need to find on the left side of the section that Excel separates for us from what it found in the PDF. If we click on the table, we will see that data is the table we need. All that is left to do now is to click on the Load button located in the lower right corner of this page. We will wait again for Excel to process our data. When it is finished, we can see that the table is completely loaded and that we can now use it in further work. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more office tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.